Hello my healthy people! Today there's going to be special episode. I'm going to take advantage of this beautiful sunny weather and I'm going to roast a chicken right over the fire pit. But before that, I have to build myself a tripod rotisserie. So let's go hunt for some proper sticks. I would strongly recommend to use sticks from the live tree. If you use the dry ones, they might catch on fire and your roast will end up in the pit instead of the plate. Clean the stick and sharpen the bottom. Stick them in the ground, forming straight triangle, roughly 2 feet away from the fire pit each. Secure the top with the twine. Alright, it seems very durable. Now's the time to collect and chop some wood. I don't know about you guys, but I found chopping wood very therapeutic. Okay guys, now's the time to wrap that bird. You can apply any spices that you like, but I'm gonna just use Cajun, salt and pepper, soy sauce and oil. You want to apply marination deep into the meat, inside and outside the chicken. For all of you with a dirty mind, this is just my technique, not to be confused with anything. And voila, pollo is ready. You know what also is amaze balls from the fire pit? Veggies, and they're full of vitamins, so let's not forget about that. To enhance the flavor of the vegetables, I'm going to marinate them with the fresh oregano, parsley, salt, pepper and fresh garlic. Have your vegetables cut in even chunky size, so they don't burn and they cook evenly. Burn, baby, burn! You really want to burn enough of wood in here. Last thing you want is to run out of charcoal during the roasting. The coals are not quite ready yet, but I decide to hang my bird above it higher to bring it into the temperature and so we catch some smoke. Alright, coals are almost there. It's time to drop that bird down. My little sous-chef.
Fire.
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 What are we cooking?
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken. Oh yeah, all the sides. Mix the glaze. Ideally, you do not want to have any flame. You can control that with the water. As you've seen, my little cute sous-chef mixed soy sauce, honey and oil for me to glaze the chicken with. Now halfway through is the time to apply first glaze. When your chicken is almost ready, which means internal temperature 160, apply the remaining glaze. Another 15 minutes and should be ready to take off the spit. Every roast is not quite ready when you take off the fire yet. You need to rest it. 15 to 20 minutes. It really depends on the size. But that will give us enough time to roast the vegetables. When you're roasting chicken over the flame, it might catch a little color here and then. But don't worry, like my wife says, there is not such a thing like burnt skin on a chicken. If you're having any trouble here, please watch my short video how to properly butcher a chicken. And of course, all that flavorful juice that came out, right on top, baby. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you like what you see and want to see more, please press that red subscribe button. Until next time,